You've seen the headlines. Work from home and earn easy money. Quit your job with this one secret side hustle. Make thousands while you sleep. They make it sound so effortless. But the truth? Most people who dive into side hustles never see more than pocket change. And in 2025, with so many new promises flying around the internet, the noise has never been louder. Let me paint a picture. Imagine coming home from a long shift. You're tired. You want something better for your life, but you don't know where to start. You scroll TikTok, you see a shiny side hustle video, you get excited, you stay up late, you sign up, you grind. But weeks later, you've got nothing to show but exhaustion and disappointment. Sound familiar? If it does, you're not alone. Our surveys show that 64% of people who start a side hustle quit within the first 6 months. Not because they're lazy, not because they don't care, but because the hustle they chose was never built to pay in the first place. It's like trying to run a marathon in flip-flops. You can push yourself as hard as you want, but the equipment just isn't right. And every day you waste in the wrong hustle chips away at your confidence. Take Sarah, for example. She jumped into selling print-on-demand products. The ads promised her she could design a t-shirt, slap it online, and watch the sales roll in. She spent hours creating designs, uploading to platforms, even running ads. 3 months later, she had sold exactly 3 shirts. Her total profit was under $15. And the worst part? She started questioning herself. Maybe I'm not cut out for this. Maybe other people have some secret skill I don't. But she was wrong. The failure wasn't her fault. The failure was the model. That's the trap most people fall into. They mistake a flashy trend for a real opportunity. They dive into something random without ever asking, does this fit me? Does this align with my strengths? Does this actually pay? And by the time they realize it doesn't, they've lost time, money, and energy they'll never get back. And here's where it gets dangerous. Because every failed hustle plants a seed of doubt. That little voice whispers, what if the next one doesn't work either? What if I'm wasting my time again? And before long, people stop trying altogether. They give up on their dreams. They settle for less. And that's a tragedy. Because the truth is, there are side hustles that actually pay in 2025. But only if you choose wisely. Let me give you another story. Meet David. He was a warehouse worker. Long hours, low pay, and no energy left at the end of the day. He tried 2 different hustles before, both failures. By the time he stumbled across our survey, he was ready to give up. But instead of guessing again, he took the time to match a hustle to his actual skills. David was organized, detail-oriented, and good with systems. So he chose something that fit those traits. Within 6 months, he was making an extra $1,200 a month from home. It wasn't overnight, it wasn't magic, but it was real. And most importantly, it gave him belief back. He told me, the difference was that this time, I finally picked the right path for me. Or look at Priya. She worked in healthcare, constantly stressed, constantly tired. She wanted a side hustle to bring in more money, but also to bring her joy. She tried freelance writing, but it didn't stick. Too much competition, too little pay. But then she pivoted. She found a hustle that let her use her empathy and people skills. Within a year, she was bringing in more than her day job, without burning out. Today, she works entirely from home, with flexibility she never thought was possible. Her secret wasn't hustling harder, it was choosing smarter. And that's what 2025 is really about. Not about chasing every shiny object, not about throwing darts in the dark, but about alignment, about matching your hustle to your skills, your lifestyle, and your goals. Because here's what the numbers show. In our latest survey, 72% of people who succeed with side hustles say the main reason is that their hustle fits their strengths. Not luck, not timing, alignment. And when that happens, the results are real. Extra rent money, debt paid off, vacations finally possible, confidence restored. But here's the problem. Most people don't know which side hustle fits them. They see the big list of options and freeze. Do I try freelancing? Do I sell online? Do I jump into something new like AI tools? Without guidance, it feels like guesswork. And guesswork almost always leads to failure. That's why we built the free hustle quiz. It's simple. You answer a few quick questions about your skills, your time, your personality. And the quiz shows you which hustle is the best fit. No guessing, no chasing trends, just clarity. And once you know you're fit, the free guide walks you through the exact steps to start. That's how you stop wasting months and start seeing results. Now let's zoom out for a second. What does the landscape of 2025 really look like? The truth is, remote work has exploded. More companies are outsourcing. More opportunities exist for people who know where to look. But at the same time, competition is higher. And bad information spreads faster than ever. That's why choosing right is so critical. Because the right hustle can change your life, and the wrong one can drain years you'll never get back. Here's another case. Marcus, a single dad, wanted more flexibility. He tried ride-sharing in the past, but that pulled him away from his kids, so he switched gears. This time, he chose a hustle he could do entirely from home during the hours his kids were asleep. Within 8 months, he was covering his rent entirely from that side hustle. The freedom it gave him was worth more than the money. He said, "I finally feel like I'm present as a dad and still building a better future." That's what alignment looks like. And listen, I'm not saying it's easy. No side hustle is pure magic. But there's a massive difference between climbing the wrong mountain and climbing the right one. The wrong mountain leads to frustration, wasted effort, and dead ends. The right mountain, it might still take work, but every step feels like progress. That's the difference between quitting in 6 months and thriving for years. So let me ask you, how much longer are you willing to waste guessing? How many more dead-end hustles will you try before you finally get clarity? The people who succeed in 2025 aren't the ones chasing every opportunity. They're the ones who slow down, take stock, and choose the right one. And you can do the same, starting today. Before I wrap up, I want to hear from you. What side hustles have you tried in the past? Which ones worked and which ones didn't? Drop your story in the comments below, because your experience might help someone else avoid a costly mistake. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. That way, you'll never miss the strategies and stories we share here every week. So here's the bottom line. Work from home side hustles in 2025 can absolutely pay, but only if you stop guessing. Only if you stop chasing trends. Only if you take the time to align with what actually fits you. You've seen the stories of failure. You've seen the frustration. But you've also seen the wins. People just like you are making this work. Not because they're special, not because they got lucky, but because they finally chose the right path. And now it's your turn. Don't keep waiting. Don't keep guessing. Your future is worth more than that. Download the free guide below, take the free hustle quiz, and if you're ready to scale, grab the upgrade.